Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today, we are going to show you how to make amazing dessert shapes, simple and with ingredients available in every home. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends so we can continue bringing you new content. Let's start with the ingredients. To prepare the dough ingredients, we will need 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of oil, 600 grams of flour, 16 grams of baking powder. We start by putting the eggs in a bowl and adding a pinch of salt and sugar. Mix the ingredients well until the sugar dissolves completely and the ingredients blend together. After that, we gradually add half a cup of oil, then add the flour and baking powder gradually until we get a homogeneous dough. After finishing the dough, we take a medium amount and place it on the countertop or any table. Then we roll it into a long shape as you see here. We take a sharp knife and cut it into cubes. You can use pastry molds to cut them into any shape you like. Next, we prepare a baking tray and place the dough pieces on it. We bake them in the oven at 160 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown. We take them out of the oven and let them cool, and during this stage, we prepare the dessert sauce. To prepare the dessert sauce, we put a cup of milk with 3 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of cocoa on low heat. Stir the ingredients continuously until they mix well and the mixture becomes hot and starts to boil. Once the ingredients boil well, we add 10 pieces of dark chocolate and stir until it melts completely. We get a homogeneous texture with a chocolate flavor. This is the syrup in which we will dip the desserts. Once the syrup is hot and the desserts are cold, we dip the dessert pieces in the syrup well. After that, we roll them in coconut powder to get a beautiful and wonderful shape. For the final shape, you can choose any type of mold you prefer, as there are many shapes available. We start by dusting the mold with flour to prevent the dough from sticking. Then, we press it gently using the palm of the hand until we get the desired shape. Here, we take a pastry clip and try to secure the shapes on the sides to appear beautifully. You can also use any available molds you have to prepare these shapes. For example, you can use the lid of a manual lemon squeezer, cover it with a bag to facilitate the process, and then take pieces of dough, insert them inside, and press until the letters are well formed. I hope these simple and lovely shapes work out for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to leave a comment below the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. Encourage us by sharing the video with your friends to spread the benefit. See you in the next video, God willing.